Hello everyone! Today we're going to take a dive into the fascinating world of noun modifiers. Noun modifiers, also known as attributive nouns or noun adjuncts, are nouns used to modify or qualify another noun in a unique way, which is different from adjectives. Let's explore how noun modifiers can provide short and accurate descriptions of nouns. For example, instead of saying, I want a kind of soup that has mushroom in it, we can simply say, I want mushroom soup. In this case, mushroom acts as a noun modifier, succinctly describing the type of soup. We can apply this principle to other examples like passenger airplane, cargo airplane, military airplane, and jet airplane. Noun modifiers also allow us to indicate that one thing is part of something else without using the possessive case. For instance, she reached into her coat pocket and pulled out her phone. Here, coat acts as a noun modifier, indicating that the pocket is part of the coat. We don't use possessive case to indicate that one thing is part of something else. Coat's pocket is the possessive, which is the wrong form in this case. We can use the same approach with phrases like car door, kitchen sink, the car door, not the car's door, the kitchen sink, not the kitchen's sink. Another way to use noun modifiers is to describe the materials of which something is made. For example, a wool shirt keeps you warm in cold weather. In this case, wool is a noun modifier that tells us the shirt is made of wool. Similarly, we have a silver jug, a cotton skirt, a leather wallet, and a porcelain teacup. Noun modifiers can also be used with nouns ending in er. They are used to indicate the type of object. For example, a cheese grater is specifically designed for grating cheese. Here, cheese acts as a noun modifier to indicate the purpose of the grater. We can see the same pattern in examples like paper shredder, nail clipper, coffee grinder, and can opener. Last but not least, noun ending in ing can also act as noun modifiers. Take the example of a gaming console. The gaming console provided endless fun for the family. Gaming is a noun ending in ing, used as a noun modifier to describe the type of console. We can find similar examples like dancing shoes and reading lamp. In my next video, I will continue to explore the wide range of noun modifiers and delve into the remaining rules and examples. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, keep discovering the wonders of language. Bye!